guys, it's Mayuka's Craft. So today I came back with another hairstyle video. So this is the hairstyle. So let's see the preview. So here's the side view. So actually this clip is not that necessary, but you can even do this hairstyle without the clip. So this is how it will look without the clip. So the things you require to make this hairstyle are a comb, any kind of clip from these two. If you want the clips to be visible, then you can use this one, but if you don't want them to be visible, you can use these. Then we need 3 thin rubber bands and 2 thick rubber bands. So let's see how to make this hairstyle. So the first step is to divide it into 2 parts, lower and upper, and then you put the upper part into a pony. So I already made it and this is how it is supposed to look. Next we're going to take this pony and divide it into 3 parts. Like so. Now next, take one part and comb it through properly. The next step is take a thin rubber band and place it. And now you should place the rubber band, this one, in a 1 finger gap. I take the index finger measurement, so I'm going to place it right there. So I'm going to leave this much distance. Now we're going to repeat it on the other 2 as well. So you have to comb it through because we don't want any knots to be there. Then take your rubber band. Now measure it with this one and place it. Like this. Now I'm going to take the third side. Comb it through properly. Take my thin rubber band. Then I'm going to measure it exactly to each one. And put a rubber band onto it like this. So these all should be equal, so make sure they're equal. And also make sure all the ponies that you put just now are tight. Now the next step is to take one pony, divide it like this into 2 parts, grab this, twist it through like that. It should create a pattern like this. Now my rubber band's a little loose, so make sure you keep it a little tight. Now take the second part and do the same step. Now take the third part as well and do the same step. And then again make sure all of them are at the same distance, like so. Now the next step is to take another rubber band like this. Now what we're going to do is take these 3, put them up here, grab it, and place the rubber band above all of them like this. And then if you find this rubber band coming too much high, then make it lower and then pull it out equally. So you have to leave this hair right like this, and it should look like this. Now to cover the rubber bands, because they are very much visible, we're going to take a little bit of hair from this side, comb it properly. Then we're going to take this, put it over the rubber band like that, and make sure the rubber band is getting covered from the top. Take a hair clip and just clip it right there. Now in the similar way, take a strand from the other side as well. Comb through it first. And then just loop it around this and pin it. I'm gonna just add one more pin right in the middle like this to make it more secure. So this is gonna give some volume on the top, and if you don't want the clips visible, you can use the thinner clips which go like through. So you can use those because they won't be visible, and this is how it should look. You can adjust these things by pulling them out like this and make them look equal. So you can make them even smaller by putting the rubber band more near in the before step, and this is how it should look after you're done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Come back for new videos. I'll see you then. Bye. The answer to the previous question is that, so 6 minus 4 is equal to 9. You have to move one matchstick to make the equation correct. So you're gonna remove this stick from 6 to make it 5 and place it on top of the minus to make it plus. Like this. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So this is the correct equation. And the next riddle or the question that I'm asking is, triangle plus rectangle is equal to 20. Triangle minus rectangle is equal to 10. Then triangle divided by rectangle is equal to what? Comment down your answers. I'm going to reply if you're correct.